Ready to dive into 100 plus channels of live TV to enjoy all your favorite sports, news, and shows? Let's get you set up and streaming in no time. First things first, to take advantage of Frontier's special pricing and enjoy the convenience of a single bill, please activate your YouTube TV using the link Frontier sent you. Head over to the email inbox of the address you used during checkout. Type "Complete your YouTube TV account setup" to find that all-important activation email. Click the link and you're on your way. If you're more of a texter, no worries. Check your phone for a message from 70994 saying, "Frontier, thank you for ordering YouTube TV. Activate and start streaming now by visiting link." Step 1. Now it's time to sign in with your Google account. Got one already? Perfect. Just follow the prompts. Don't have a Google account? No problem. Creating one is a breeze. Just click "Here" to create one. Once your account is set up, you can continue the sign-in process to activate your YouTube TV subscription. Step 2. Once you're signed in, an authorization screen will appear. Give us the thumbs up by selecting "Allow" to let Frontier connect with your Google account. You'll then be taken to a page that gives you an overview of your special savings and monthly payment. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions, and you're on to Step 3. Here's the fun part. Press "Activate Now," and voila! You've officially activated your YouTube TV subscription. Now it's time to get YouTube TV up and running on the devices you love most. Customize your experience by heading over to tv.youtube.com. So, grab some popcorn and get comfy with Frontier and YouTube TV. A better way to get live TV. Happy streaming!